What's going on? And one thing I want to talk about today when it comes to specifically real estate finding deals is there's one specific niche of properties that it is a gold mine which you can use to be able to find properties that you can take, get them, and then flip them to cash buyers and make a profit. And that is actually probate, right? And probate, if you don't know real quick, is that when somebody passes away, they end up passing that property on to somebody they inherit it. But sometimes they don't know exactly who's going to take ownership of it. It could be a family member, it could be a friend. It goes to the court system, and then finally it goes to somebody, and then they're able to take ownership of it and then be able to sell it. Well, I'm going to show you inside this class how to locate the probate deals in every city across America. So you can go ahead, take them, lock them up, and then be able to flip them to cash buyers and make a huge profit. All right, so go ahead. There's going to be a link on this button. Sign up for the class, register, virtualwholesaleclass.com, and I'll see you on the training.